Now we are going to solve GATE PYQs of digital electronics. Here is the first question. It is mentioned that x star y is equals to x plus y and z equals to x star y. These two conditions is given in this question. We have to solve z star x. We have to find the value of z star x. Here z star x is basically z plus x. From this equation we get this, and now z equals to x star y plus x. Here z, the value of z we put in here. Basically now x star y means x plus y plus x. So we know that x plus x is equal to x. Here y is remaining. So answer for this question is option number A. Now we are going to the next question. It is also from digital electronics and it is a PYQ of GATE. Here it is mentioned that function of a comma b is defined as a dash plus b. So we have to simplify this expression. So here expression is a function of x plus y comma z. Now we solve this question in two parts. Here first we solve f of x plus y, f of x plus y comma y. So it is defined as x plus y whole complement plus y. By the De Morgan's law, we know that x plus y. Here we can write that x plus y bar is equals to x1 dot y1. So here we can write x1 y1 plus y. Now come to the main function. F of, here we already solved this for this function. Value is x1 dot y bar plus y comma z is defined as x1 dot y bar plus y whole bar plus z. Again by De Morgan's law we get x1 dot y bar plus y whole bar is equals to x1 is equals to x bar dot y bar whole bar y. You can write then x plus y into y bar. Here bar is cancelled and we get x y bar plus y bar. Here y bar is cancelled, so basically we get x y bar. And put the value of this x y bar plus z. So option C is matching with this. So question number 2 is completed. Now next we have a K-map question from GATE 2025. Here it is mentioned that W here Y is Z. So we get here Y Z bar Y bar Z Y Z. Here we get Y Z bar. Also here W bar X bar. Here we get. It becomes complicated. Next we have to write. Now third question is based on K-map. We have to solve the K-map. So at first we have to draw this K-map. It is 4 variable K-map. So now here WX YZ. Here Y bar Z bar YZ YZ. So Y bar Z YZ bar. Here we get W bar X bar WX WX WX. Here we get, so one is here here. So basic rule of K-map is to build larger group. So here we get one, and one group is from here. So expression for this, from this block we get x, here x, and from here we get z, plus for this part of this map we get x bar. From here and here we get x bar, and from here we get z bar. So it is a simple question. So option D is matching. Here x bar z bar plus x, but it is a MSQ question. So more than one options are correct. So we have to solve for other variable also. So here we can minimize this expression. So let's at first we get A. A is equals to W bar x bar y bar z bar plus W x bar y bar z bar plus W bar x bar y z bar plus W x bar y z bar plus xz. So from here if we then W1 plus W. From here x bar y z bar is common. So x bar y z bar W1 plus x. So basically we know that x bar plus x is equals to 1. So these and these becomes 1. So we get x bar y bar z bar plus x bar y z bar plus xy. So from here we get also here x bar z bar if we common that here z bar x bar z bar we took common, and remaining is y bar plus y plus xy. Here we also get 1, so x bar z bar plus x bar. So option number A is also correct. Now we have to see option number B. Here w bar x bar y bar z bar plus w bar x bar y z bar plus w x bar y z plus x z. Now and if we common w bar x bar z bar, if we took common from this, remaining part is y bar plus 1 plus w x bar y z plus x z. We get w bar x bar z bar plus w x bar y z plus x z. From this we so basically this is not matched, so option number B is incorrect. Now we have to see option number C. So now we see the option number C, and C is basically if we remove then it will be helpful. Option number C is w bar x bar y bar z bar plus w x bar y bar z bar plus w x bar y bar z plus x z. Now we have to here x y z is common factor. You know to common here remaining part is w plus x z. So here it is 1. So we get x y z bar plus w x bar y bar z plus x z. Now if we common x z, if we took common x bar y bar, then here z bar plus w z, here x z. From distribution theorem we get z bar plus w z is equals to z bar plus w z bar plus z. So here we get 1, so we get z bar plus w. So from here we get x bar y bar z bar plus x bar y bar w plus x z. Basically option C is also don't match. So option A and D are the correct option for this question.